Copper prices just exploded. Today I'm trying to hit 200 plus pounds and see what it's really worth. For the past month, I've been saving every leftover cable from the jobs I worked on. Piece by piece, day after day, turning waste into something valuable. The goal was clear, 200 pounds of clean copper. And today, we finally find out if I made it. Recycling cables isn't easy work. It takes time, patience, and the right tools. But once the insulation comes off, you start to see the reward. The more you clean, the more it grows. If you know a faster way to extract copper, let me know in the comments. Those of you who've been here before already know how this process goes, but stay with me because we're getting closer to the result. All of this copper was cleaned over the course of a week. After work, I'd spend about an hour each day working on it. And now, it's time to weigh it. Let's see how much copper I actually managed to extract. My scale says 212 pounds, but the real test is still ahead. Let's see what the recycling yard scale shows. No more waiting. We load it up and head out. We've arrived at the recycling yard. Take a look at the metal prices on the screen. They're higher than ever. At the recycling yard, the scale showed 210 pounds. I was off by about 2 pounds, just as I expected. But overall, I'm still happy with the result. In the end, I received $900. If you made it this far, I'd really appreciate it if you left a like and subscribed to the channel. And let me know in the comments, what's the current copper price in your city? I'm really curious.